Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jerry Ulrich with bMobile Route Software. Hope this video finds you and yours safe and healthy. A lot of craziness going on right now, a lot of uncertainty, but truly believe that there's light at the end of the tunnel. Truly believe that we're going to get through this sooner rather than later. But a lot of uncertainty going on right now for businesses across the board. And there's going to be this new norm, right? We don't know what that new normal is yet, but we know that it's going to be different, obviously. And during this stretch of uncertainty for businesses specifically, even more so than normal, cash flow is going to be key. So I just put together a few thoughts on some things to think about to help your business with that. And centered around credit card processing, whether it's across 3 different levels, out in the field, in the office, or maybe online. So in this DSD world, a lot of companies, of course, take payments out in the field, cash, check, a lot of transactions, obviously, on account. But some things to think about to start offering your customers out in the field, being able to take payments on a credit card, or even better, take a payment via an ACH account. That ACH transaction is going to be less money from a processing perspective. And a couple things that we've been throwing into our solution overall to help with that is a driver out in the field can not only take a card, new card, swipe it using a swipe device, but can process a transaction with a card that's been saved on file. So the previous video that I put together was centered around social distancing and some different ideas on how to wrap up transactions out in the field. Instead of getting a signature, maybe taking a picture of the individual that you're working with as the proof of delivery. So with social distancing in mind and cash flow in mind, not only taking a credit card out in the field, but taking it that step further, right? Having a card on file to where you don't have to have that close interaction with your customer, but being able to process that transaction real time out in the field is going to be beneficial. It's going to help you with cash flow, and you're going to be following social distancing, right? This new norm. So think about that. The second level at the office, of course, having a fully integrated system with your merchant service provider is going to be key, and the ability to process transactions as they're coming in from the field. I think that kind of speaks for itself. But having that automated inside of the system is important. It's going to save you time. The third level that we've talked about in the past, and I wanted to bring up again with this new norm, is online, right? We've done videos where we've stressed or discussed the ability to offer your customers an online portal so they can log in, see their information, see history, be able to place orders easily, be able to communicate those orders real time so you can fulfill those and service your customers. What we've started to do and expand on is the ability for a customer to log in and see all of their open invoices and be able to select multiple invoices and pay all of those at one time, one transaction, multiple invoices. So saving them time, of course, but being able to select from a card that they might have on file or an ACH account, again, better said, with rates and fees through the merchant service provider. But we've expanded on that inside of the bMobile solution to allow customers to see those, allow customers to select multiple invoices and make those payments. And with bMobile potentially being the master of your accounts receivable, updating your AR real time. So keep that option in mind as we get into this new norm, right? Online shopping, online payments, obviously going on right now, but even more so as we get into this new norm. So definitely keep that option in mind. But to recap, to kind of help your business with cash flow, think about those 3 levels, being able to take that card out in the field, being able to save that card on file so the next time you're out there as a driver, you can just use that card. Again, social distancing, keeping that in mind. The desktop option or the office level, processing those in a very streamlined fashion, saving admin work time. And then that online option, being able to log in and see all of your open invoices as a customer and being able to pay those all at once using that credit card or ACH account that you have on file. So hopefully good things to help you think about different scenarios during these times, in this process of change that we're going to be going through. As always, would love additional comments. Please put those in below. Feel free to reach out. Would love to connect with anybody and talk about these topics and anything else that's going on in your world and business, as we need to be agile as we go through this change. And as always, visit us at www.bmobileroute.com. Please stay safe and healthy, and thanks for your time. Look forward to talking with you again.